Have you ever felt trapped in the mundane 9-to-5 routine, yearning for something more exciting and fulfilling? Imagine a world where you could ditch the rigid schedule, the dreaded commute, and the stuffy office cubicle. Well, the gig economy might just be the answer you've been searching for. A chance to break free and live life on your terms. What is the gig economy? The gig economy, also known as the sharing economy or the freelance economy, is a rapidly growing phenomenon that's revolutionizing the way we work. It's a shift away from traditional full-time employment towards a more flexible, project-based approach. In this new world, you can work as a freelancer, an independent contractor, or a project-based worker, offering your skills and services to various clients or companies on a gig-by-gig basis. Imagine being able to choose your projects, set your hours, and work from the comfort of your home or a beach in Bali, if that's more your style. The gig economy empowers you to be your boss, giving you the freedom to shape your career and lifestyle according to your preferences and aspirations. The explosive growth of the gig economy. The gig economy is not just a passing trend. It's a full-blown revolution that's taking the world by storm. According to mind-blowing statistics, the gig economy is expected to be worth a staggering $455 billion by 2023, proving that this new way of working is here to stay. In the United States, a whopping 57.3 million people are already part of the gig workforce, and it's estimated that by 2027, gig workers will account for a jaw-dropping 50% of the American workforce. That's half the country's workers embracing the freedom and flexibility of the gig life. But it's not just the US riding this wave. India, a land known for its tech prowess, is home to a massive 15 million gig workers as of 2021. And across the pond in the UK, the size of the gig economy has doubled in just 3 years, showcasing its global appeal and rapid adoption. This explosive growth is being fueled by a perfect storm of factors, including technological advancements, changing workforce demographics, and a growing desire for work-life balance. With the rise of remote work tools, virtual collaboration platforms, and on-demand marketplaces, it's never been easier to tap into the gig economy from anywhere in the world. The irresistible allure of the gig economy. So, what's driving this seismic shift towards the gig economy? Well, the advantages are hard to resist, making it an incredibly attractive option for millions of workers worldwide. Flexibility galore. One of the biggest perks of the gig economy is the unparalleled flexibility it offers. As a gig worker, you're the captain of your ship, free to choose when, where, and how much you want to work. Want to sleep in late and work through the night? No problem. Need to take a day off to attend your kid's school play? You've got the freedom to do so without having to beg for permission. Variety is the spice of life. Imagine never having to endure the soul-crushing monotony of doing the same task day in and day out. The gig economy allows you to work on a delightful variety of projects and tasks, keeping things exciting and preventing the dreaded burnout. One day, you might be designing a website, and the next, you could be writing a marketing copy for a cutting-edge startup. Boredom? Not on your watch. Show me the money. While gig work may not offer the same stability as a traditional job, more on that later, it can provide the opportunity to earn a substantial income, especially if you possess in-demand skills. According to eye-opening data, some freelancers in the US report raking in an annual income of over $100,000. That's the kind of cash that could make your wildest dreams come true. Be the boss, baby. As a gig worker, you're not just an employee, you're the CEO of your enterprise. You get to call the shots, set your rates, and choose the clients or projects that excite you the most. No more being bossed around by a tyrannical manager or having to endure soul-crushing office politics. Your career is finally in your hands. Unleash your passion. For many, the gig economy represents an opportunity to turn their passions into profits. Whether you're a talented artist, a skilled writer, or a marketing maven, The gig world allows you to monetize your unique talents and do what you love every single day. No more compromising your dreams for a steady paycheck. In the gig economy, your passion can become your profession. The flip side. Challenges of the gig economy. While the gig economy paints a picture of freedom, flexibility, and financial gain, it's essential to acknowledge that it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Like any path in life, there are challenges to navigate. One of the biggest downsides is the lack of benefits and job security that typically come with traditional employment. Gig workers often have to handle their taxes, healthcare, and retirement planning, which can be a daunting task for those unaccustomed to the intricacies of self-employment. Additionally, finding a steady stream of work and managing multiple clients or projects can be a constant juggling act, especially in the beginning stages of your gig career. There's no guaranteed paycheck at the end of the month, and slow periods can leave you feeling anxious and financially strained. Isolation and loneliness are also potential pitfalls of the gig life. Without the camaraderie of an office environment, it's easy to feel disconnected and miss out on the social aspects of traditional employment. Maintaining a work-life balance can also be challenging when your home is your office, and the lines between work and personal time can become blurred. Tips for thriving in the gig economy. But fear not, my fellow gig seekers. With the right mindset, skills, and strategies, you can conquer the challenges of the gig economy and emerge victorious. Here are some pro tips to help you succeed. Develop in-demand skills. In the gig economy, your skills are your currency. Focus on developing skills that are in high demand, such as writing, coding, graphic design, social media marketing, or data analysis. The more valuable your expertise, the more sought after and well paid you'll be. Build a killer online presence. In the digital age, your online presence is your virtual storefront. Create a professional website, an eye-catching portfolio, and engaging social media profiles to showcase your work and make it easier for potential clients to find you. Think of it as your billboard, attracting the right gigs to your doorstep. Network like a boss. The gig economy is all about connections, so it's crucial to network like a pro. Attend industry events, join online communities, and actively market your services to potential clients. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. A well-timed introduction could lead to your next big opportunity. Manage your finances wisely. As a gig worker, you're the master of your financial destiny. Set aside money for taxes, healthcare, and retirement, and have a solid plan for managing your income during slower periods. Treat your gig income like a business, and you'll be well on your way to financial stability and success. Embrace work-life harmony. While the flexibility of the gig economy is undoubtedly appealing, it's crucial to avoid the trap of overworking and burnout. Set boundaries, prioritize self-care, and strive for a healthy work-life balance. After all, what's the point of being your boss if you can't enjoy the freedom it affords? The gig economy is a revolutionary force that's transforming the way we work and live. It offers a tantalizing blend of freedom, flexibility, and financial potential, empowering individuals to break free from the shackles of traditional employment and forge their paths. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or a curious newcomer, the gig economy presents a world of opportunities waiting to be seized. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the gig life, hone your skills, and start shaping your destiny today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on navigating the exciting world of the gig economy and making money on your terms. Together, let's celebrate the age of freelancing and the freedom it brings.